what Nana's name is?
Nana Carmen.
Nana Carmen. And what's your Nina's name?
Nina Anna.
Oh, and Grandpa
A pussy.
and Grandma.
Was
Oh, very good.
feces.
Excuse me?
Feces.
Could they have fishies?
Oh, the fishies. I heard feces.
Feces. Swimming.
There's
Yeah.
fishies swimming.
So, did you get to play with Nathan today?
Yes.
What did you guys play?
Cars.
Yeah, the races.
This.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what's Daddy's name?
Daddy Joe Chavez.
And my name?
Mommy Cal Chavez.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Nicholas Chavez.
Your name is Nicholas Chavez.
Red.
Yeah. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat a lot?
Stop moving.
It's water.
You like to drink water, but what do you like to eat?
Tea.
What are your favorite sandwiches?
Teeth.
You like cheese?
Yes.
Do you like peanut butter and jelly?
Yes.
What else do you like?
Like water.
Nicholas, stop jumping up and down. I'm going to spank you. You want me to spank you?
Don't do that. What color is your shirt, Nicholas?
Red.
And what's that on your shirt?
London.
Huh?
London. London.
Oh, London.
London.
Mm-mm.
London.
Look at the picture. What is this?
London. London.
Lion.
London.
Yeah, lion. And what does the lion say?
This. Wow.
Oh my goodness. What is the sound of the letter B, Nicholas? And what is the
Butterfly.
sound? Yeah, butterfly. What is the sound of the letter
A.
yeah, A.
Apple.
Uh-huh. And what about D?
No, D.
D.
Dog.
Good.
Very good. What's that?
What letter is that?
C.
C for what?
Cat.
Yeah, C for cat.
Very good.
How about, remember the shape that you can make with your fingers? Can you make the shape? What is that shape?
Triangle. Triangle.
No, that's not a triangle. It starts with a D.
The tumbling.
Diamond. Yeah.
Jump. Couch.
No, don't jump on the couch. You're gonna hurt yourself. Remember about the monsters that jump and they fell down and bumped their head? Remember the story I read to you yesterday?
That supposed to be monkeys?
Yeah, but the one he has is a story with monsters.
Monsters.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Jumping. Whoa.
Nicholas, do you want to go to school?
Let's
Yeah. Who goes to school?
eat.
Luis. Who else goes to school?
Vincent.
Vincent goes to school. Who else?
Nathan.
Nathan goes to school. Do you want to go to school too?
Yes.
Yay!
And somebody else goes to school too.
Who else goes to school?
Vincent.
No. He lives next door.
Over there. Who lives over there?
Joshua.
Yeah, Joshua goes to school.